Hello guys, welcome to Zenith Calc. We are going to solve quadratic equation in this video. We are going to use the Casio 991MS calculator as we have discontinued the playlist, but now I have been requested to make videos on MS calculator, so I have made a quadratic equation calculator video. So I'm assuming that you know what is quadratic equation. If you don't know, then I'll tell you what it is. It is basically a degree of 2. Here is the general formula or general equation for quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We'll take an example. X square minus 4x plus 2. I have solved it. In traditional way, it's solved in separation form, like x square minus 2x plus 2, and it's common out, 2 is common out, and all the rest is in the decimal forms. So this is the decimal outcome we have obtained from this calculator. I'll tell you how to do this. Just on the calculator, it's on already. Tap mode 3 times, and here you have to select equation, and here it is written unknown and 3. This is not the quadratic equation. So just scroll to the right and it's degree, and here in this form we are solving degree 2 question. Alright, so just press 2 and it's in degree 2. Here a represent the x square coefficient, so here it is 1 equals to, and the b is minus 4. You have to consider the minus as well, and the c is 2 is equal to, and answer is 3.414, that is x1. And just scroll to the down or scroll bottom, and the another answer is 0.585. Hence it's good. Thank you.